Okay, guys, let's go for another session. I decided to make slightly some changes here. So let me drag this down. Shall we drag this? So we need to be at 81, 87 in order to make that 1.23%. And the changes that I decided to make is instead of just placing 4 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, I decided to break down into 10 trades. So we got the first one, and then the second trade, which is this one divided by 2, this one divided by 3, and this one divided by 4. So that way I will have more opportunities. So I'll spread the risk in several trades instead of just one trade. So 154 and 248. So 1.54 here. This one is 2 trades and 248. 248, yeah. 2.48. Okay, so now I'm gonna look for some opportunities and we'll crank up. So the target is 81, 87. Okay, so we have Euro USD. It seems like it's gonna crank up. Well, it's gonna crank down. Euro USD. So this is the first candle. We're gonna wait for the next one. We're gonna pull a sell position. I mean, so we are in, we are in, we are in. So we got 3 trades there. Ooh, he's not pulling down. Ah. Oh, which one is 1 minute? Ooh, made a big mistake here. I didn't check the time, and he went to instead of having in 10 seconds, it's 10, 18:38. So I made a mistake there. Right, so my bad. So we lost these two. So we're gonna go for the third trade. So third trade is 248, 248, 248, 248. So let's count this one as a loss as well. And the next one, we have a bad start, 4.13, 4.13. What a bad start. So I thought this one would pull down, but it's not. So let's go for the next one. Okay, going back to Euro USD, seems like it's finally cranking down. So it pumped, and now we can see that it's going down. It's coming to the 50 SMA again, so let's see what's gonna happen. Seems like momentum is shifting. Seems like it's gonna stop to go down. So let's see. Let's see if you're gonna place sell positions here. So you need to place 3 trades at 248. It doesn't look like it's gonna continue to push down. Looks like it's gonna go up. But at the same time, it's very indecisive here. So we might just leave it alone. Yeah. Okay. We got Intel here. So it's on a downtrend, sort of downtrend. We are looking to see if it's gonna come to test the 50 SMA before have a continuation to the downside. So it's like pull back before continues to go down. That's what we're looking to see. So we are looking to place sell positions. So it's in this area right here. In the past was support right there. So we're looking to see the price come into the 50 and get rejected. That's why we are looking. So You're gonna take them out already. I didn't turn it off. You never switched it on. All right, guys, not much is happening. So we just have this intel that we are expecting to have a continuation to the downside, but as you can see, it's consolidating inside this rectangle right here. Not much is moving. So I've been checking all the other currencies, the payouts. For 92%, we only have a few, and then the rest of them they are just as you can see, we only got 4 5, and then all the rest of them are 89, 88, and so on. So not much happening. So I might just call it a day because you know I don't see good opportunities. So I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen with this one. Okay, seems like it's finally gonna crank down. So in my place, it's pushing too much long week. In my place a sell because he broke out of this rectangle. So we're gonna go in. So we got in. Seems like we're gonna get that one. Ooh, ooh, that was a close call. So so we got one. So we need to place two more of 248s, and this I'm gonna get it ready just in case if you need it. 248. What's the target? 81, 87. Mm, two more, two of these, and that's it. Yeah, two of these will do the trick. Right. So let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, we have a new one. So USD VNB. So we clearly can see that we're on a downtrend. So it's coming right now towards the 50 SMA. So I'm looking to see if he's gonna hit the 50 SMA or getting very close to it and get rejected. Okay, so right there. So right now we're looking for a candle just like this one or this one. Okay, it's pushing down, so that's a good sign. That means the buyers are losing momentum. So we're looking for a red candle. I thought this one would be the reverse and push down, but no, it didn't happen. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we got the wick there. So this candle right here potentially is gonna be a red candle. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. But it might just do this like it did over here. Momentum got weak, 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 and then it pumped a little bit and then dumped. So it might just do that. So just in case, we're gonna get ready for it. But this is a good pump. This is a good pump, so potentially it's gonna continue to pump up. Okay. So if this ends up to be in a red candle, we're gonna take a trade on the next one. But it continues to pump. But yeah, we can see momentum is slowing down. So let's see how far this pump will go. Let's push it. So this might be the first red candle, and we will potentially take the second one if this one is the red one. So we just need to win two of these trades, first and second, and yeah, that's it. So he's looking good. Okay, seems like he's gonna go down on the next one. We're gonna take a trade. We are in. We are in on the third. Ooh, he's pushing up. He's pushing up way too much. So we lost that one, and we lost that one. 413. So I need to place four trades of 413. Hmm. Right. Okay. We're having a rough session today. So I might see a consolidation like we saw over here before he actually goes down. Or it might not even happen. So in the meantime, let me flick around and let me see what's going on. Okay, it's definitely losing the momentum. So seems like it's going to continue to go down, but it might do some consolidation before it goes down. So let's draw this line right here. This is an area. So let's see. We're getting closer to the 50 SMA. We are hoping to get rejected. And it's going to push down. Okay, it's pushing down. So we're going to start getting some trades in. Even though it's not the second candle, we're going to try to catch the third candle. Ooh, that's a long week. That's a long week. So the next candle might not be red. That's a long week. Okay, we are in. Okay, we got that one. So we just need to place 3 more trades of 413. So let's have a look at the next candle. To be indecisive here. To be indecisive, you can see these wicks right here. So this is not good for us to place sell positions. Even though we're on a downtrend, buyers are trying to push the price up. So it can be a dangerous trade. So what I'm going to do, okay, it's going to continue. So we need to score 3 more trades on this one. So we can hop out. Pushing on too much. That's what I'm saying. It's pushing. I was about to press when he pulled up, but I was like, nah, it's just pushing too much, and it doesn't look like it's gonna have a good dump. So let me flick around. Okay, we got JPY here. JPY, here JPY. No, GBP, JPY. This one right here. Right, let's see what's gonna happen with this one, JPY. So we got the first potentially red candle right there. Here JPY. So we're on a downtrend. We're expecting this thing to continue to go down. So this is going to be the first candle. We're going to try to catch the second candle. So let's see how this is going to look like. Is it pushing up a little bit? They didn't push up. Hesitated a little bit over there. So let's see how the next candle is going to look like. Might be green for a bit. Yep. Hesitated. Hesitation. Boom. Got me killed. Lost it. Okay, seems like that one is still dumping. Here at GPY. So let's see. So we had a small pump here, small pullback, but potentially is going to have a continuation to the downside. So let's see if we can catch the second wave and wrap this session up. So I think we just need to hit two trades and that's it. So sellers are still in control. So we're gonna okay, we're gonna push sell here, here. So we got 2 trades in. another sell. We got 3 trades. Okay, that would be good. We got one, broke even on that one, and we got the third one. Okay, cool. So that was perfect. So it was a rough session. So we lost 3 in a row. We won 1, 2 in a row, and one, uh, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one we broke even. So this one we lost by 12 points. This one 40 points. This one 5 points. 34 points lost. 26 points lost. 9 points win. 8 points win. Break even. And this one 50 points. And yeah, we made money. So 85.77. Let's just update the spreadsheets. It's here. 85.77 is it? Yeah, that's correct. So we made 5.72% or $4.64, which is awesome, right? So we are just 14.23 bucks away to reach the session targets. Well, not a session target, the challenge, which is double our investment in 30 days, which is great, right? So yeah, next session we just need to make 59 cents. So just one trade. If we win the first trade, boom, job done. And by the way, I prefer to trade like this. The trade number 2 split in 2, trade number 3 split in 3 trades, and trade number 4 splits in 4 trades. Because that way, even if I lose one or 2 trades, if I win the other trades, then I have more chances to recover than just place 1, 2, 3 trades. And if I lose those 3 trades, I will be down 23%. If I lose 4 trades, 50%, and I'm done. So I'll write it that way, so I'll have more chances to recoup the losses. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.